Welcome back children to the session of English language learning. Today we are going to discuss about the second part of the tense lesson, that is simple past, or as I have written, past time, under which we are going to discuss about four factors, that is simple past, past continuous, past perfect or past perfect continuous. As I said that we are discussing about past tense, so the first thing is simple past. Now what is past? Normally we say past means which is already over, जो खत्म हो चुका है या हो गया है. तो simple past tense is used to express an action which took place in the past and is completed by the time of speaking. That means now when I said that we are going to discuss, that was in the present. Now when I said that, that has already become past previously what I started with the program. Now where do we use this simple past? Let us see the first point, that is to talk about actions completed in the past once. To talk about the actions completed once in the past or over a period of time. Okay, so now it rained heavily. He danced all night. So these are all the past tense. That means beforehand it has रेन. अभी बारिश नहीं हो रहा है, पहले बारिश हुआ, 2 दिन पहले या 1 दिन पहले हमारा बारिश हुआ था. दैट इज सिंपल पास्ट. ही डांस्ड ऑल नाइट. दैट मीन्स पूरी रात भर वो नाचा था. दैट इज पास्ट. इट इज ऑलरेडी ओवर एट द नाइट टाइम. So now the next is to talk about the past state. Past means which is already again over. I am talking. Now for example, as a child, Ravi hated going to school. Normally when every child has this tendency, when the child is asked to go to school, the child just hates. But now since सारे लोग आप लोग घर में हो, अभी मन कर रहा होगा स्कूल खुलता, हम लोग जाते दोस्तों के साथ मिलते. दिस इज समथिंग डिफरेंट. बट नाउ एज अ चाइल्ड रवि हेटेड गोइंग टू स्कूल. Now next point is while narrating a story or a series of events. That means whenever your mother or your grandfather, grandmother, दादा दादी जब कहानी सुनाते क्या बोलते थे? एक राजा था. वो स्टोरी के लिए यूज होता है सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. सी देयर वाज अ क्लस्टर ऑफ ट्रीज ऑन दैट फील्ड. दिस इज वाज, कभी होता था, पेड़ों का पूरा जंगल. जिस क्लस्टर ऑफ ट्रीज में इज अ कलेक्टिव नाउन. अगेन दिस समथिंग एल्स. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट टेंस, सो वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग इट अबाउट लेटर ऑन. दे कट ऑल दोज ट्रीज लास्ट वीक. लास्ट हफ्ते में, पिछले हफ्ते में उन्होंने सारे पेड़ को काट दिया था. दिस इज पास्ट फॉर्म. दिस इज ऑल्सो अ पास्ट फॉर्म. दैट मीन्स वी कैन कंक्लूड सेइंग दैट जब कोई कहानी पिछले टाइम का या सीरीज ऑफ इवेंट्स, कुछ एक्शन जो पहले हुआ था, हम लोग जो बात करते हैं वो आपका होता है पास्ट टेंस. वहां पे हम लोग पास्ट फॉर्मेट यूज करते हैं. इसके बाद आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द सिंपल पास्ट. Now the structure of the simple past I have written here. You see, this is the person. We are having 3 person. That is first person, second person, and third person. Then singular, then the plural. How do we use that? Users, see, in the first person I have written I wrote. Wrote is your past form of, yes, right. That is right. Right, wrote. This is a simple past. When we are talking about plural, now I becomes we. Same first person we are talking, that is plural. I becomes we. This I wrote, we wrote. Then second person we are coming, you know it very well. Second person is you, both in singular and plural. That is you wrote, you wrote. Now in the third person, it becomes he or she in singular. Remember children, singular, he or she wrote. Whereas when we are going for the plural part, it becomes they wrote. So just take the snapshot of this, then we will be discussing further about the rules for making the past tense. Now let us see what are the rules for making the simple past tense. The first is regarding the positive statements. Now when we are using positive statements, we can use it for both all nouns and pronouns. Verb plus ed, that is a past form of the verb. Now examples you see, they laughed, Ravi danced, it rained, they came. That means anything we are having the verb, that is past form of the verb. Now I am going to give you certain questions. You can pause the video and so do it by yourself. Don't cheat from anybody. Okay, now let's see whatever you have written. You can see your own copy. I am giving you the answer. It was very easy. It rained. That is past form of rains. Now he comes to my house. He came to my house. You are not going to write he came to my house. Remember that. Okay. So this is the format of come, came, rain, rained. Since it is in a simple present tense, we have used S. Remember that. Now the next is for the questions. Did plus nouns or pronouns we can use, and the present tense form of the verb. Most important is plus question mark. Afterwards you have to put a question mark since we are learning for the questions. Now see, did Ravi dance? I have not forgot to put the question here. Did they laugh? Now I am giving you 2 or 3 questions. Just try to make it into the question form and don't cheat. If you are cheating, then you will be cheating yourself only. Okay. The hunter shot the tiger. Okay. The hunter shot the tiger. Now, here what you have to make, just try it for yourself, then I will be only giving you the answer. Now what will be the answer for this? What did I say? Remember, did plus all noun or pronoun. Now first thing what you have to do? Did. Over your part, then noun or pronoun. Which is a noun here? Hunter. Did the hunter. Okay, then after that the present tense form of the verb. Which is a present tense here? Verb. Which is a verb? This is a verb here. Okay, this is verb, this is noun for your help only. Now shot is a verb. What is the present tense of this verb? Shot. Did the hunter shoot? Whom did the hunter shoot? Did the hunter shoot the tiger? Then after that what I forgot to put? Yes, of course, that is question mark. You must be thinking ma'am has forgotten. Okay, so this you see how easily you can frame a question here. Did the hunter shoot the tiger? Now we are discussing about negatives. Negatives means no or not sentences. Now in this you see all nouns, pronouns plus did plus not to make it negative. Then the present tense form of the verb. This is most important, children. The present tense form of the verb. Now you see the example. We didn't laugh. Though we are discussing about simple past, see the difference here. This is present tense form of the verb. Ravi didn't dance. Again I am saying. I give you some more examples. You see, if I say my mother cooked food. Remember. Now here, if I have to change into negative, what shall I do? Same thing you see, all noun pronouns. This much will come same. My mother. Now what did I say? Did plus not. Did not. Then which is a verb in this first sentence? Question. This is cooked. This is verb. Now what I have to make it? I have to make it the present tense form of the verb. Now what is cooked? Present tense of cooked? That will be cook. My mother did not cook food. Understood now? Now again if I say, now here I have given dance or here there I have given laugh. What will be the question for this you see? We laughed. What it became? We didn't laugh. Ravi danced. Ravi danced. This session is over. For your practice, put some questions on the board. As you can see, just try to solve it, and this answers for these questions will be discussed in the next upcoming video. Till then, stay tuned.